All right, she's gonna have a rest, guys. I don't think anyone's sat on the floor in a video here, but it's the first time for everything. You ready?
Ready.
3, 2. You have to shake the face as well. You've got to loosen, basically loosens up. It loosens, yeah. It loosens up your lips and your. Anyway. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to part 2, guys, with Tahlia Coutinho. We're here with another jump rope tutorial. Of course, we're at the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle. We have an epic combination that we're going to teach to you today. If you watched the previous episode, go watch it right now. If you haven't, basically we learned double unders, right?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah? You feeling confident with them?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course she is.
That didn't sound very confident.
We're going to now teach her how to implement this new double under technique that she's got with a combination of a crossover and some other little bits and pieces. So this is going to be a really raw video and you're going to learn a ton.
Cool.
And a lot of people behind the camera as well. So remember, if you're new to the channel, guys, don't know what the hell is happening, just hit the subscribe button. We're the hottest fitness community growing across the world. We are taking over cardio and backed up by the #1 skipping ropes on the internet. Check the links down below. Use Rush10 for 10% discount. Miss Tahlia is using the original money rope V1. I've got the money rope performance. We've got a ton of other lines available online. So let's step back here, T.
Okay.
What we're going to show them today is, and you actually, you're the main person. What we're going to show everyone is we're going to get you into your boxes that you like doing, and then we're going to hit a little kind of crossover and then double. That's going to be the first part of the combination, right? Okay. How's it sound? Doable?
Yeah, doable.
Yeah. So we remember the little key points. Okay. So you're going to take off nice and easy with your double. Crossovers. We're going to see where we're at with that. But give this one a go. Boxer step. Yeah. It's going to be now. Then after that, the crossover here. And then once you finish the crossover, then you're going to hit the double.
So it's one step.
Yep.
Left leg, right, left. Okay,
yep.
Got it.
Staying light on your feet. Lovely. Double. Good. Easy work. It's epic, by the way. What I'm going to get you to do is I'm going to get you to do the cross, uncross, and you're going to double in that same motion. Okay. So you know at the moment you're basically cross, uncross, then you basically do a bit more double, like boxer step, and then you do a double. We're going to do it like this now. So now the combination is going to look one piece. Here, here. You see the difference? Okay, and then back to boxer, right? Then back to boxer, yeah. So cross, uncross, then you hit the double straight away. Double boxer. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Ready? Go for it. Sorry. That's all right. Big deep breaths. Got this. Oh, I'm scared. It's all right, crossover. I forgot. Sorry. I forgot. Here, boxer step. The mind's ticking, isn't it? Now you're trying to piece things together. So free mind, open it up. There we go. Lovely, one more time. All one piece motion. Cross. And try not to come backwards, yeah? So we're gonna start basically on this R. And I just want you to feel nice and relaxed. It's just cross, uncross, double. Uncross, yeah. Double, boxer. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Almost. Sorry. Yeah? You had the first part nice. Yeah. Good. Really good. All right. Spot it there. Epic. Good. All right. I'm going to get you now, once you finish the boxer, we're going to go into a double cross, right? So we're just building up the combination for Tahlia here, peeps. What we want to try and focus on is the good things. So the good things are you're getting the combo done. Got it. You're now straighter with the double under. Yeah. The unfortunate thing at the moment is that you're kind of going backwards as you're doing this combination. Okay. So I'm going to get you to now engage more of your core. And a lot of us will do the same as well. When we're just starting out, we're just focused on getting the moves done, which is fine. But then always remember, guys, big deep breaths. So now inhale deep as you're doing this. So it's, and that's going to get you to start contracting the abs a bit more in the core, and it stops you kind of going backwards. Yeah. So once we do this now, so now you're at this point now where you're here, you're cross, double. I want you now to go cross, cross, double. Did you notice that? So So it's
Sorry.
cross, cross.
So you're doing 2 crosses,
Yeah.
so both.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once you do your first cross, keep your arms locked,
cross.
and another one. Then you
Yeah.
uncross it, then you do your double.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a harder move now.
That looks
so,
really hard.
So I'm gonna get you to just do a little practice on this cross, cross move. So it's cross, cross. This one,
Okay.
when you do the first cross, you just keep yourself like in this position,
Okay.
and then let the wrist rotate. Good. That was good. You tried to do 3. Nice. So just 2.
Ouch.
2's fine. 2 is good for now. And then when you come out of that, just just go into boxer step for now.
Okay.
Yeah. It's looking good though. Nice and smooth. Big deep breaths. Remember. Good breathing.
Ouch!
We've all been there.
This is a nail that I broke yesterday.
We've all been there.
Ready, second.
Good. Like that. All right, good. Okay, one thing I'm just going to get you to change is when you're doing these crosses, just same boxer step. Don't need to jump like
Am I
high.
jumping? Okay.
You're just doing like a slight, kind of tiny little, like a little bit of a bigger hop.
But
Just
same
keep that
boxer.
footwork nicer
Same
and look clean. Okay, once you finish that cross cross,
Yeah.
you're going to do another double. That's good. Big knee flex though.
Yeah, I
Big
know.
knee flex.
Massive.
Yeah, you can do it though, man. You can do those doubles, right? So it's here. Yeah. Fluid, smooth. This is good though, guys, man. Beautiful. Good. Keep your body weight going forward. Nice. Straighter legs. You can do straighter than that. You go for the biggest slam dunk. No, put it there. That was good though. That's good. The knee flex will take a bit of time to go, but the first few were good.
Okay.
How does that feel though?
That was tough.
You're doing some combinations now. So now you're just building these patterns. So when you're coming to doing them, a good thing to do is just feel more relaxed.
Okay.
So the deep breaths really help you. And you know, this is quite difficult, right? You're learning cross, cross, then double, then you know, so try and get into a position where this breathing helps you get that rhythm. And you know, so it's cross, cross, double. So you've got a little pattern in your head. So it's here, and then it's cross, cross.
Double.
But everything's like really smooth.
Got it.
Yeah, so you're not stressing all these moves.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get you now to do the first part of the move, which is cross, uncross, double, cross, uncross, double, boxer step, cross, cross, double. Yeah?
Cross, uncross, double, boxer step, cross, cross, double.
Yeah, boxer step. Remember, nice and smooth. Feel nice and relaxed everywhere. Cross, cross, almost, you just change your footwork a little bit, yeah?
It's
okay.
Try again?
Yeah, you got to try again. We've got to get this done. Miss it. Much better. Nice and relaxed. Good. Bit of a flex.
Yeah.
You can feel it, right?
Yeah.
Because
I can, because I feel like
so when you're finishing that cross cross, you're almost not trusting your ability and you're trying to force it out.
Yeah.
So just feel this kind of like cross, cross, got this. You know, it's just all a bit more of a timing thing.
I'm going to try one more time.
Yeah, and you're going to try until we get it right. Smooth. Just got to think smooth. Good, good. Better. You like that one? You happy with that one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Not like fully content, because there was still a bit of a knee flex, but that was an improvement.
That was good, isn't it?
That counts for something.
All right, last piece. How are we going to build this up,
There's
right?
more?
One more step.
Okay.
You got this, yeah? So what I'm going to get you to do now is I'm going to get you to basically go into, you finish your double. Yeah, and I'm going to get you to start doing a run skip.
Okay, I'll sit down and rest.
Yeah, all right, she's going to have a rest, guys. I don't think anyone's sat on the floor in a video here, but there's a first time for everything. Okay, so this is how this is going to look, right? So we're here, right? I'm going to get you just to basically do your cross, uncross, whatever you like, and you're just going to start running.
Okay.
Okay, so this is now a combination that changes with your foot pattern rather than hands doing something different.
And when you're running, are you elevating your knees or are you?
Yeah, so you're just going to, let's say this is how you normally run.
Okay.
Don't worry about doing like a high run. Okay. Just a nice chilled one.
So just a little run.
So I want you to do boxer, yeah, cross, uncross, double, and then you're running.
Straight to the running from the double.
That's a hard one.
Okay.
But if you find it easier, go do a landing and then run.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can land on 2 feet.
And then?
A straight running is the more hard one. But let's do the landing on 2 feet.
Okay.
Right, bit of a knee flex.
Yeah.
A little knee flex. Remember, smooth, so you're gonna finish the double. And how this looks is, you finish the double, you land, and then you control the
Push
rope
double.
until you get time to start the run.
Okay.
Okay. Some leg slaps. Gonna need that aloe vera later. Good, good, really good. That was good. I feel like your body just kind of naturally did that by itself.
Was there a knee flex?
Were you thinking anything?
I don't know what I was doing, but it worked.
No, there wasn't that much of a knee flex. I'm gonna try and get you to this one more time.
Okay.
A little bit lighter on your feet.
Okay.
Right, so we're gonna feel that lighter kind of boom, and then you start your running, so it's nice and soft. I know you got the big Jordan boots on.
Okay, ready? Set, go.
Really good. Very good. Put it there. All right, guys. And again, another little nutshell on how we do things here. Did you enjoy that?
That was so much fun.
You learned a lot. You probably didn't realise.
Yeah.
You've learned like 3 different...
In a short space of time as well.
Exactly.
That was really good.
Peeps, little insight of what you guys can do with your ropes. Think about how you change up your arm positions. It might be different for everyone, but you want to try and keep it as neat and efficient as possible. Everyone's different, body types are different. When you're landing, be soft, and yeah, change it up, man. Change up your footwork patterns, and you can make it fun, right?
That was really fun.
That was really fun, right? Now you feel like a pro?
Yeah.
Yeah?
For now.
You're gonna start skipping more?
Yeah.
She says this after
always say this.
every video. But guys, if you enjoyed that, please drop it a big like. That'd be really useful for me, and share it with friends and family, of course. Drop a comment, let me know what you want to see going forward, and I'll get it done for you. Any final words?
I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I'm gonna go eat now, I'm exhausted.
Wicked. As always, man, hit the subscribe button, drop us some love, and I'll see you in the next video as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. You wanna say bye? Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.